Hello students. Hope everyone are doing good. In my last class, I have done 3 stages of river and walk of sea waves of chapter 3 Our Changing Art. Today I shall do walk of ice and walk of wind. So let's start. Walk of ice. Here you have seen a picture of glacier. So, what is glacier? A glacier is a large mass of sea continuously moving over land surface, which to erode the landscape by bulldozing soil and stones to expose the soil rock below. So, moving rivers of ice are called glaciers. Their movement down the slope is slow and grinding. The glaciers or rivers of ice move slowly across the land, taking along them rocks, sand, debris, and soil. And when deposited means the deposits of rocks, sand, debris and soil from the glacial moraines. So, glacial moraines are accumulations of dirt and rocks that have fallen onto the glacier surface or have been pushed along by the glacier as it moves. So, a moraine is material left behind by a moving glacier. And this material is usually soil and rock. And students, do you know that when the ice melts, the deep hollows carved out of glaciers and filled up with water, thus forming beautiful lakes. Now, let us move to walk of wind. So, students, have you ever visited a desert? If yes, then you have probably seen sand dunes. So, what are sand dunes? So, sand dunes are large masses of wind blown sand and are most common in deserted environments. Dunes grow as grains of sands accumulate. So, when winds carry dust, sand, volcanic ash, etc., from one place to another. So, in the desert regions, wind is an active agent of erosion and disposition. Like the exposed rock structures in the desert regions are rubbed more at the bottom by the blowing sand or desert winds. Erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part, and this gives the rock the look of a mushroom. As these rocks have narrow base and wide top, and so they are commonly called as mushroom rocks. Again, when sand is transported from one place to another by wind, and when the wind stops blowing and the sand falls and get deposited, then small hill-like structures are formed, And these structures are called as what? Sand dunes. And again, when the wind or the wind can carry very fine grains of sand over very long distances. And so when such sand is deposited in large areas, then it is called as loas. So this loas you can find in China. So in China you can find large deposits of loas. So this is the work of wind, or how the wind works in the desert regions, because wind as an agent of erosion is most active in the dry deserted regions of the world. So students, here we have come to the end of this chapter. Hope my explanation will be helpful for you all. Here I conclude. Thank you.